Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. How is going with studies? I hope you all are studied well. Let's get back to our maths class. The previous class we have studied successor and predecessor. Is that no ma? The previous class we have studied successor and predecessor. What is the spelling for successor? What is the spelling for successor? Yes, U-C-C-E-S-S-O-R, successor. What is the spelling for predecessor? Predecessor, predecessor, successor and predecessor. What is the meaning for successor? What is the meaning for successor? The number which comes just after a given number is called its successor. Is that no ma? Yes, okay. What is predecessor? What is predecessor? The number which comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. Okay, the number which comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. How do you write the successor of the given number? How do you write the successor of the given number? You can obtain the successor of a given number by adding 1 to the given number. Okay, Mama, successor means you can obtain the successor of a given number by adding 1 to each. Okay. Then how to find predecessor? You can obtain the predecessor of a given number by subtracting 1 from it. Okay. Successor means you can add 1. Subtract means minus 1. Okay, Mama? Do you understand? Okay. Numbers have successor and predecessor method. Successor are numbers that come just after the given number. But predecessor are numbers that come just before the given number. Okay, Mama? Okay. In this class, in this class, we will study about the first lesson, one small recall. Okay, let's revise. Let's revise the first lesson? Okay, ma. Now all of you take your stationery things and max book. All of you take your max book with your stationery things. That means pencil, sharpener, razor. All of you, have you taken, children? Okay. I hope you all are taken your max book. Now take book page number 16. Now take book page number 16. Now take book page number 16. Did you take exercise 1.5? All of you take exercise. exercise 1.5, page number 16. First one already gave the homework. Yes, ma? Already I gave, yes? Okay. See the second one. Write the successor and predecessor of the given numbers. That is today homework. Is it you should write homework, today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. And beside you should mention homework. The second question, write the successor and predecessor of the given numbers. Beside you should write today's day and date and mention homework. Children, are you listening? Lafi, did you mention exercise 1.5? Today's homework. Today's homework. Lesson 1. Lesson 1. Exercise. Exercise 1.5. Book page number 16. Yes, the second one, second question. Okay, mama, lesson 1, exercise 1.5, book page number 16. The second question is today's homework. Then take the next page. All of you take the next page. Take book page number 18, 1-8. Take book page number 18, 1-8. Have you taken, children? Have you taken, ma? Book page number 18. See the first one. State true or false. State true or false. All of you use your pencil to write. Okay, mama? All of you use your pencil to write. See the A question. 3001 in numbers can be written is 30,001. Yes? The first question A is 3001. In numbers can be written as, they are given 30,001. Yes? So that is false. The first one A is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. All of you write now. All of you write now. See the first one, book page number 18, first one, A question. The answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. See the second one, B. 63,416 is readers. 63,416. It is true or false? It is true or false, ma? True. Okay. So you should write T-R-U-E, true. The second one, B answer. Have you written, ma? See the C. 15,055 in numbers can be written as 15,055 in numbers can be written as 15,055. That is correct or wrong? Correct. Okay. So you should write true. The C is true. First question, C is true. T-R-U-E, true. Then see the next one, D. 84,256 is readers. 8, 10,000, 4,256. Is it correct or wrong? 84,256 is read as 8, 10,000, 4,256. Is it correct or wrong, ma? Wrong. That is, we are called 84,000. Yes, ma? 1,000 place we read it together. Yes or no? Yes, that is 84,000. But they are given 8, 10,000, 4,000. So, this statement is false. So you write D. Okay, the answer is false. F-A-L-S-E, false. D, F-A-L-S-E, false. All of you have written, ma? Okay, come to the second one. Complete the table. Second one, see the heading. Complete the table. Complete the table. See the A question. They are given word form. Yes. The first box is number form. Second one word form. And the third one expanded form. Is that no, ma? Yes. Okay. Complete the table. See the second question. Complete the table. Three columns are there. The first one number form, word form and expanded form. Now we want to fill the box. Okay, empty places. See, A question they are given the word form. A question they are given the word form. 10,250. Yes, ma? 10,250. Now we want to fill the number form and expanded form. Now we want to fill the number form and expanded form. See the first one, 10,250. Now we want to write the number form and expanded form. Yes, the A. Okay, here number form, N-U-M-B-E-R, number form. Then VAT form, expanded form. WORD, VAT, FORM form. Then expanded form, EXPANDED, expanded, FORM. Okay, the first A question, they are given the VAT form. Isma, what is that number? 10,250. How do you write? 10,000. If you completed 1,000 place means you used to write one summa. Okay, mama? 10,250. 10,250. All of you see the board and write with me. Okay? Listen and write with me. The first one, number form. What is that number? 10,250. Then we want to write the expanded form. Isma? First we want to expand the thousands place. Yes? So see here, expanded form means 10,000 plus how many hundred? How many hundred is here? 200. Okay. So you write here 200 plus then how many tens? 5 tens. You want to write 50. There is any ones value 0 means we no need to write that. Okay, mama? Then see the second one B. They are given the expanded form. We want to write number form and VAT form. The second one, they are given expanded form. Now we have to write number form and VAT form. Okay, mama, see the expanded form. 20,000 plus 60 plus 1. Yes, 20,000 plus 60 plus 1. Now we have to write the number form first. Okay, B. 20,000. They are given no hundreds values, no tens values. Yes. Any tens values? Yes. 61. Okay. Tens and 1. 161. 20,000. 61. Okay, mama. Now we have to write in the VAT form. VAT form. TWENTY. 20. THOUSAND. 20,000. 61. 20,000. 61. I have no place, so I am writing down. Okay. Write the straight line. Don't come to the next line. Okay, Rama? 20,000. 61. 20,061. All of you have it written. Then see the third one. They are given number form. Yes or no, ma? They are given number form. We want to write VAT form and expanded form. See the number. What is the number? What is that number? Third one, 70,009. Okay. First we want to write in VAT form. Right here, SEVENTY, 70, THOUSAND, 1000, 70,000, 9, NINE, 70,009. Then we have to write the expanded form. How do you expand this one? 70,000. There is no hundreds values. They didn't give the tens values. You write 9. Okay. 70,000 plus 9. See question, already they are given the number form. Now we want to write the VAT form and expanded form. You have to have it written. Okay. Then come to the D. D. VAT form. Already they are given number form and expanded form. Yes, ma? See the D question, 90,508. Now already they are given the number form and expanded form. Now we have to write the VAT form. 90,000 NINETY 90 THOUSAND 90,000 FIVE 5 HUNDRED 100 90,508 EIGHT 90,508. 90,508. All of you have it written, ma? Yes or no? All of you have it written? Okay. Then see the third one. Match the following. Then see the third one. Match the following. See the first one. The place value of 6 in 56,802. See the A question. The place value of 6 in 56,802. Now we have to find the place value of the given number 6. Yes. So you should write ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. 6 is in which place? Thousands place. So we have to write 6,000. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Where is 6,000? Where is 6,000? See the second, first one 6, second 6,000, third 10,448, then fifth one 10,450. See the second one, that is 6,000. Yes, ma? The A answer is 6,000. You just match 6,000. A answer, right hand side, second one. Okay. 6,000. You just match it. Then B, the face value of 16, 56,802. Face value means how to take the given number and write the place. 6. Face value of 6 is 6. So see the first one, the answer is 6. You match B to first. Okay. Then see the next one. The third one. C. The successor of 10,449. Isma, the successor of 10,449. The C answer is successor means you want to add plus 1. Isma? Yes. Okay. So see here 10,450. We need 10,450. Where is it? The fourth one. Yes. 10,450. You just match C to fourth one. Then the predecessor of 10,449. The predecessor of 10,449. Predecessor means you want to subtract 1. Isma? Yes. Now the answer is 10,448. Where is 10,448? The third one. You just match D to third one. D to third one. Then see the fourth one question. Arrange the following numbers in increasing order. Arrange the following numbers in increasing order. Also write the greatest and the smallest numbers. Arrange the following numbers in increasing order. Also write the greatest and the smallest number. This one you do in your max homework note. Okay, Mama? Then see the fifth one. Write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using all the following digits. Write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using all the following digits. The fourth one and fifth one you do in your max note, homework note. Okay? Book page number 18, 4 and 5. Then book page number 18. Okay? 4 and 5. Book page number 18, 4 and 5 also. Today's homework. You take a max homework note and write the heading. Okay? Fourth one heading. A question, write the answer. Then take the next page. B question, write the answer. Okay? Then take the new page and write the fifth question. Write the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers using all the following digits. Write the question. See the book and write the question. Write in your max homework note. Okay, Mama? Do it in your max homework note. Don't forget the fourth one and the fifth one. Now come to the sixth one. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. See the A question. The short form for 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5 is the short form for 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5 is. The answer is second one. The answer is second one. Just write one small tick. Okay, the second one nearest you put one small tick. Okay, Mama? 24,325. That is the answer. Then see the B question. The place value of 6 in 36,958 is. Children, are you listening? What are you doing there? Listen carefully, okay? The place value of 6 in 36,958 is the place value of 6. So we got to find ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. 6 is in which place? Thousands place. Yes, ma? So 6,000. Where is 6,000? The third option is 6,000. The third option is 6,000. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Okay. The third one is 6,000. Yes, ma? You just put one small tick for third option. Then see the C. The predecessor of 24,351 is the predecessor of 24,351 is predecessor means you want to subtract 1. Yes, ma? So 351 minus 1 is equal to 350. 24,350. Where is it? Find the answer. Where is it? The third option. Yes or no, ma? Yes. Very good. The predecessor of 24,351 is 24,350. The third option. That is correct. Then see the next one. The smallest 5-digit number formed by using all the digits 9, 2, 0, 3, 6. The smallest 5-digit number. They are given 5-digit number. Now we want to make one smallest 5-digit number. Okay, mama? First, which is smallest? Which is smallest? 2 is the smallest number. 0 means the smallest. We can arrange the smallest number. That is 0 means we can use the second highest place. Yes or no, ma? Already this one we are studied. The first one 3,600. 3,692. 3,692. 3,692. That is the answer. No. Yes, the smallest number is 2. Yes or no, ma? Yes, the smallest number is 2. So, see the first one option 3. The number is starting from 3. So, that is not correct. See the second one 9. That is not correct. Then third one 6. That is also not correct. The fourth one 20,369. Okay, mama? First 2. The next smallest number is 0. That is 20,000. Then 3, 6 and 9. That is called 20,369. Are you listening, children? Okay, Allah have you written? Allah have you written? Page number 18. Okay, I hope you have completed. I hope you have completed for book page number 18. Next one we will see the next class. All of you do your homework properly and send me. Okay, mama? I will check your homework. So do yourself. Don't copy it from others. You are good children, yes? So you do it yourself. Take care.